Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here are the topics we are discussing today in this video. The main topic is the criminal law. What is criminal law? Exploring the criminal laws system of the United States. Introduction. Criminal law is the United States is a complex and dynamic system that plays a crucial role in the maintaining order, protecting citizens and ensuring justice. This legal framework outlines the roles and the regulations that governs crimes, punishment, and the rights of the individual accused of the wrongdoing. As one of the most comprehensive legal systems in the world, criminal law of the USA has evolved other centuries to balance the scale of justice and the safeguard the right of the both victim and the defender. Historical development. The foundation of American criminal law can be tracked back to the English common laws principle that we established during colonial times. Early American legal systems drew inspiration from this principle, incorporating local customs and values over time. States began to codify criminal offense and the penalties, leading to variations in the law across jurisdictions. This diversity ultimately laid the groundwork for the eventual creation of an unified federal criminal code. The role of a federal and a state law. Criminal law is the United States is a dual system with the both federal and the state laws playing distinct but interconnected roles. Federal laws cover offenses that violate national regulations such as drug trafficking, tax evasion, and certain white collar crimes. State laws, on the other hand, govern a wide range of offenses, including theft, assault, murder, and the other crimes that occurs within their respective boundaries. The equality of him highlights the collaboration nature of the American legal system. Element of a crime. To establish guilt in a criminal case, prosecutor more prove the presence of a specific elements that defines the offense. The element typically include accused renews the physical act or a conduct that constitute of the criminal offense. Men's raw, the guilty state of a mind or intent of the offender at the time of the criminal. Concurrence, the requirement that the guilty act at the guilty mind occurs simultaneously, establishing a causal link between the defendant action and the harm caused. Constitutional protections. The United States Constitution provides the essential protection to the individual accused of the crime. The Fourth Amendment safeguard against the reasonable such as seizures, with the Fifth Amendment protect against self-incrimination and the ensure due to process. The Sixth Amendment punishment and the sentencing. Criminal and the punishment in the United States range from the fine and the probate to the incarceration, even a death penalty, depending upon the severity, the often and the jurisdiction. Sentence guidelines provide a framework for judges to determine appropriate penalties, taking into the account factors such as the defendant criminal history, the circumstances of a crime, and the impact on the victim. Controversies and the reforms. The American criminal justice system has been faced criticism and a call for the reform due to issues such as the racial and disparities in the communication over elimination of a such offense. Advocate for reforms argue from changes the priorities, rehabilitation over the punishment, promote fairness, and address systematic basis. Landmark cases. Throughout its history, the U.S. criminal justice has been shaped by the numerical landmarks. Cases like Nameda and Romodia established. Conclusion. The criminal law of the United States reflects the nation right and the maintaining social order rooted in the historical development and the shaped by the constitutional principle. This intricate legal framework tries to balance the need of a victim, defendant, and the society as a whole while challenges debates and praises the ongoing evolution of American criminal law underscores dynamic and the ever-changing societies. Navigating the complexities of criminal law in the United States. Criminal law is a cornerstone for the nation's legal system. Definitions the parameter of the unacceptable behavior, outline penalties of a transaction, safeguard the right of the both excuse and the victim multifaceted feature of this legal framework reflected the delicate between maintaining social and order and ensuring justice is served from its historical evolution towards a contemporary challenge to and reforms the criminal law landscape in the US is a dynamic interplay of a tradition and the transformation. Federal versus state jurisdiction. One of the defining features of a criminal law in the US is the division of the jurisdiction between the federal and the state government. Federal law primarily covers offenses that cross the state line, involve federal agencies or a patron to the national corners such as organized crime, drug trafficking, and cybercrime. State law, however, address crimes that other within their boundaries and encompasses a wide range of offenses, including theft, assault, and homicide. This dual system provides the framework for tackling various scales and the type of criminal activities element of a criminal offense. To establish guilt in criminal cases, prosecutors more the prove the presence of the specific element that defines offense. These elements include the actus reus and the recognition of the act and the intent and the causation, the link between the act and the harm caused. The presence or absence of this element determine the legal classification of potential consequences of the crime. The U.S. Constitution enshrines the fundamental rights that protect forum and safe against unreasonable such as the required law enforcement. The Fifth Amendment guarantees due to process of the along with them to right the legal counsel the punishment and the sentencing. Punishment and the sentencing of the provision of the information the judges to determine appropriate penalties. The guideline consider factors such as the nature defendant, criminal history, and the circumstances. The rehabilitation program. The U.S. criminal is a Terry Obstetrician and the Mirinda or then the qualified requirement for the police inform and arrested individual of the right or more recently the cause of untitled state versus John. Conclusion the family law systems of the ununited system is maintaining order, protecting the right of all parties involved, and seeking justice for victim and the accused. As societies involved, so too does the criminal law landscape, with the ongoing pursuit of fairness, equity, and the preservation of individual rights remain central to its evolution. That's it. I hope that you liked today's videos. Inshallah, we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.